Stop for a second and look at the objects around you. You think they exist whether you're looking at them or not, right? You're wrong. Quantum physics has a terrifying and beautiful secret. Nothing in the material world is solid until it is observed. This is called the observer effect. Science proves that your attention isn't just a thought, it's a physical force that literally freezes the universe into reality. If you feel stuck in a life you don't like, it's because you are unconsciously observing the same old patterns every single day. Today, I will show you how to break that cycle using the laws of the universe and the methods of Joe Dispenza. Let's talk about the experiment that changed everything, the double-slit experiment. Scientists fired tiny particles, electrons, at a screen. When no one was watching, these particles acted like waves. They existed in a superposition, meaning they were in multiple places at once. They were just a cloud of possibilities. But the moment a camera or a human eye observed them, they instantly changed. They collapsed from waves of probability into solid particles of matter. They chose a position only because they were watched. This means the observer is the missing piece of the puzzle. Without an observer, the world is just a sea of infinite potential. With an observer, it becomes a solid reality. You are that observer. Now, here is the problem. Dr. Joe Dispenza argues that most of us are addicted to our past. Every morning you wake up and think about your debts, your failed relationships, or your health issues. By doing this, you are observing your old limited reality. You're using your powerful attention to force the quantum field to keep giving you the same miserable life. You're literally collapsing the wave of infinite possibilities into the same boring particles of your past. You think you're a victim of your life, but you are actually its quantum architect, constantly building a prison out of your own attention. To change your life, you must stop observing what is and start observing what could be. In the quantum field, a version of you that is wealthy, healthy, and fulfilled already exists as a wave of probability. It is waiting for an observer. When you sit in meditation and feel the emotion of your future before it happens, you are placing your observation on a new possibility. You are pulling that reality out of the void and into the physical world. It's not magic, it's physics. But the challenge is staying in that state when you open your eyes. This is where most people fail. They have the insight, but they lose the focus. To help you stay in the state of the new observer every day, I created the Quantum Alignment Kit. It isn't just a notebook, it's a manual for your transformation. It includes a specific quantum journaling system to help you withdraw your attention from the past and a 7-day tracker to ensure you are observing your new potential daily. If you are ready to stop being a victim of your biology and start being the master of your reality, you can find the Quantum Alignment Kit at the link in the description. The universe doesn't give you what you want, it gives you what you observe. Stop looking at your problems. Start observing your potential. Subscribe for more quantum insights, and I'll see you in the next reality.